Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products that truly make a difference in your routine. If you've ever struggled with eyeliners that smudge or mascaras that clump, I think you'll appreciate today's feature. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip that can elevate your beauty game. We're looking at the Wet n Wild MegaLiner Liquid Eyeliner paired with the Enhance and Define Megawear Mascara. This duo promises precise, dramatic eye definition and voluminous conditioned lashes. The eyeliner features a high-definition pigment in a rich fluid formula designed for quick and precise application, while the mascara contains soy protein and panthenol to fortify lashes, giving them a thick, full appearance. Both formulas are vegan and cruelty-free, which is always a plus. Starting with the eyeliner, I found the flexible brush remarkably easy to control. Even when aiming for a winged look, it allowed me to create sharp, clean lines without tugging at the delicate skin around my eyes. The pigment is intense, so a single stroke is enough for a bold effect. It dries quickly, which significantly reduces smudging throughout the day. The consistency is fluid yet manageable, making it beginner-friendly but also precise enough for more advanced techniques. The Enhance and Define Megawear Mascara glides on smoothly without clumping, which is a common frustration with drugstore mascaras. The lash conditioning ingredients, soy protein and panthenol, make my lashes feel softer and appear naturally thicker over repeated use. I noticed a gentle volumizing effect that builds beautifully with additional coats, and despite layering, it didn't weigh my lashes down or cause flaking. Application is comfortable, and the wand allows for even coverage from root to tip. What I really appreciated is how well these products complement each other. The eyeliner sets a dramatic base for the eyes, while the mascara enhances depth and fullness without overpowering the look. Together, they create a polished, high-impact eye that works for both day and night wear. Pros? The eyeliner's precision and rich pigment are standouts, and the mascara's lash conditioning benefits are excellent for daily wear. Both are cruelty-free, vegan, and easy to use, making them accessible for a wide audience. The mascara's formula avoids clumping, while still providing volume, and the eyeliner's flexible brush reduces common mistakes. Cons? While the eyeliner is long-lasting, it may require a makeup remover designed for waterproof formulas if you're aiming for all-day wear. And for the mascara, those with very sparse lashes may need multiple coats to achieve a dramatic effect, though it layers well without flaking. In terms of value, this bundle is impressive. You're getting two high-performing, vegan, and cruelty-free products at an affordable price, which makes it accessible without compromising on quality. Compared to other drugstore brands, Wet n Wild holds up exceptionally well, offering performance on par with higher-end mascaras and eyeliners. The packaging is simple yet functional. The eyeliner's wand is precise, and the mascara's tube is sturdy, protecting the product from drying out. Both products have a good shelf life, which is essential for makeup you'll reach for daily. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Customer service from Wet n Wild has a solid reputation for responsiveness, and their commitment to cruelty-free and vegan formulations is consistent across their product range, which gives added confidence when purchasing. If you're on a budget but still want a similar effect, there are other drugstore mascaras and liquid liners that perform well, but few match this combination of pigment, conditioning, and cruelty-free standards at this price point. This bundle hits that sweet spot for quality and affordability. So what's the final verdict? The Wet n Wild MegaLiner Liquid Eyeliner and Enhance and Define Megawear Mascara bundle delivers on its promise. The eyeliner offers sharp, dramatic definition, and the mascara adds voluminous, conditioned lashes without clumping. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for reliable, vegan, cruelty-free products that perform beautifully day after day. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase this duo is in the comments or description box. If you've tried these products, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.